Hello there, fellow Chicago Raya, Harvey here. I'll be doing 2 video responses today, and I'll try to do it as quick as I can. And the first one is going to be to Paul. Link to his channel, have it here. On the lighters thing. Although Ken, the Chicago Raya, all the channel is Molofant. Already gave us some tips on how to fill butane lighters. I have to tell you to make you a late update, and for that I already told Paul that I'm sorry that I'm late on this. I should have warned you. So these are the lighters that I have, and this is the lighter that I'm using now. It's a very cheap lighter that I found here in Korea on internet, and the flint system is very different from others that I've seen. I think it resembles the Old Boy. I haven't seen or touched an Old Boy, but I guess as you open, the gas start pumping, and then you turn this wheel that is actually connected to a flint right here in the top. Alright, it stays lit until you close it down. Believe it or not, although this is not a pipe lighter, I found that extremely convenient, because you can do this. Okay, so this is the one that I'm using. My favorite pipe lighter so far is this one that I saved for a gift that is going. Send it today actually. It's a Jawbone dual. I'm not sure if I should, yeah. So it's a dual flame. Over this part it goes the torch, and over this part it goes the soft flame. Absolutely amazing. I had one of these ones, and it stopped working after several months of visiting the floor often. Silly me, I just ordered one. I think I'm gonna get another one. The only thing that this lighter has is it doesn't have a flint, and you actually have to move this part here down, and you have to hold it down while you're pipe, which is not a really inconvenient thing. Plus, I guess for if you smoke cigars, this part, the torch, is extremely useful. Okay, this goes to. Now, the second best one that I have, it's one that I also found in eBay. This one I bought it in eBay. It comes in a nice fancy pouch and a fancy, well, not fancy, but a nice box. It's this one. It says Promise on the side. It is actually a pipe lighter because you have the pipe tool here, which is extremely convenient. And it's a very well built lighter, very solid, but I haven't dropped this one, so I'm not sure actually how. I don't know, it actually has. No, it's totally empty. The other advantage of the Jawbone one is that actually you fill it. You just fill with butane, and it's gonna start working pretty fast compared with others like this one is totally metallic, because I guess it takes longer for the butane that is extremely cold pressurized to get in the temperature that actually can lit. I'm gonna have problems with this one. I have, of course, a cheap Zippo, but it's not a pipe lighter. Let me see. I don't use it often. I got this one as well. Not a pipe lighter either. It's kind of cool because when you activate it, it functions as a torch. They like change color. You cannot see it because it's green. And when you let it loose, you get this soft flame. It's pretty amazing. Also very cheap. And the source of all troubles. I had to take this lighter out of the garbage can to make this. Luckily I didn't take out the garbage when I wanted to make this video. So this is the thing. This is also a Jawbone lighter with the pipe tool thing here. I thought it was amazing because you just move this part up and then you just, now it's working, come on. And now it works like, okay, there it is, okay. Yeah, and I know it has fluid, but it's just too temperamental. Way too temperamental. I took it apart. I bought two of these. One stopped working like after a week. I took it apart until the parts were just glued together, and I made sure that it was filled with fluid. I changed the flint. I increased the pressure on the flint so it will have more spark. I changed the intensity of the flame, and as you can see, if you open the leather, there you go. It's a problem of this system. It's not as it should be, I guess. I give up. Now, you saw me using matches. I'm so happy I found these ones. These are extremely good if you are at home indoors. I highly recommend it. I read a paper that I remember my friend CHS shared in one of his videos on how the thermodynamics of the match fire is far more efficient in terms of temperature to light a pipe. So it makes sense. But when you're outside, it's far more convenient to use a lighter, no question asked. So an extreme, no, don't ever get this one. If you have one of these one, well, I just bought two. Maybe I'm misjudging the thing and it just got bad luck. But I wouldn't recommend it. That's all. I mean, it's a very cheap lighter. I paid like $3, and it ranges from 3 to 13 or so. But I paid for this one $5. I paid for this one 13. 2 1 so take your pick. Paul, my apologies, I should have done this before. I am sorry that you had a bad experience with the lighter. I see you are extremely happy with your Zippo lighter, the pipe lighter. I haven't experienced those. I'm eager to try it out, but you can find it here. You have to order, and it's quite expensive with the shipping and everything. So I think that's all for me. This lighter review went quite longer than I expected. My apologies, but I just wanted to share my 2 cents and wait for my review on the Mario Grandis. Okay, that's all, my friends. As always, puff away.